Hi everyone, welcome back to the first step group. Today we are going to unbox and test the brand new ABREE BT1041 TWS earbuds. These earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.3, Type-C charging, HD calling and up to 75 hours playtime according to the box. So in this video we will check the design, sound quality, features and whether these budget earbuds are worth buying or not. Let's get started. Alright, let's open the box now. Inside the box, we get the ABREE BT1041 earbuds, a Type-C charging cable, the charging case looks compact and stylish with textured finish. Design feels lightweight and pocket friendly. The earbuds feature a modern slim style design with in-ear tips for better fitting. The matte black finish gives them a premium look considering the price range. There's also an LED indicator on the front of the case. And the magnetic lid feels decent while opening and closing. These earbuds are lightweight, so they should be comfortable for long listening sessions like a music, gaming or online class. The ABREE BT1041 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which helps in stable and fast pairing. As soon as you open the case, the earbuds quickly connect with the smartphone. You also get HD calling support, which can help during voice calls and meetings. The company claims up to 75 hours playtime with the charging case, which is pretty impressive for budget TWS earbuds. Talking about the sound quality. The earbuds deliver decent bass and clear vocals for daily uses. Music sounds enjoyable, especially for Bollywood songs, casual listening and YouTube videos. The audio is loud enough indoors. And the in-ear fit also helps with passive noise isolation. So overall, the ABREE BT1041 earbuds offer stylish compact design, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, Type-C charging, HD calling, long battery backup. If you are looking affordable earbud for daily use, this can be a good option in the budget category. If you enjoy this unboxing and review video, make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more tech unboxing and gadget review.